And Rhiannon, yeah, I've had a special request today to cook a beef curry for a beautiful lady known as Rhiannon, and I'm going to do a little film of how we do this. So first of all, I'm using 500 grams of minced beef. I'm going to use a little bit of ginger paste, a little bit of garlic paste. You can get these at Morrison's. I'm going to use 3 medium onions, tin of chopped tomatoes, chickpeas, bit of curry powder. Obviously I'm going to use garam masala, chilli, fennel seeds, turmeric, cumin, mustard seeds, and some ground coriander. I'm going to put in a cupful of frozen peas. I hope I mentioned chilli powder, and we're going to cook it. Right, pay attention, it's a beauty this. Did I mention cloves? And one of those starting here. First job is finely chop your onions. So it makes life a lot easier if you've got one of these ready. First step, I'm going to use a bit of olive oil. Always use olive oil, but just preference. A couple of tablespoonfuls in there, and then I'm going to wash the onions in. Right, you can see the onions are translucent now, so this is where we start the magic. So I'm just going to go around my spice dish. I'm going to add a teaspoon of black mustard seeds. I'm going to add a teaspoon of turmeric, cumin, ground cumin, chilli, teaspoon of chilli, fennel seeds, love that, optional, and some ground coriander, again a teaspoon. Okay, give it a bit of a whistle around the pan. It smells amazing already. So you'll notice I'm not putting the garam masala in yet. I'll save that until I've sealed the meat and put salt on. So my next one is tablespoon garlic paste, 2 good ones in there, and the same with ginger, 2 good dollops of ginger in there. Give it a mix. It's on a low like this because I don't want to burn anything. Next step is I'm going to add the tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. So we've added to the pan turmeric, cumin, coriander, fennel seeds, mustard seeds, chilli, and now we're ready adding the tomatoes. Give them a stir, bring it to the boil. Bring that to the boil. We want to cook the spices into that. So now another one of my favourites, a tablespoonful of curry powder, in it goes. Right, I'm going to add 4 cloves. And 1 star in here. Whole. Right then, I'm going to add now, I'm going to break it up, 500 grams of minced beef. What we're looking for, I'm going to brown it up, then I'm going to add some salt, then garam masala. So I'm just going to turn the heat up and get this browned off. And then we have the salt and the garam masala. I use Himalayan pink. There's no foreign substances in that. Okay, good sprinkle of salt now it's browned off. That'll extract the juices. Lovely, lovely. And now I'm going to make some stock. Right, after the salt, I'm going to have a teaspoon of garam masala. Stir that in. That's the last of the spices. Ba, 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 ba. Next step, half a pint of beef stock. Right, half a pint of stock. In it goes. Beef stock. Right, I've washed and drained a tin of chickpeas there. Stir them in. Then we're just going to pop in a better cupful of frozen peas. That'll do. Adds a bit of sweetness and a bit of colour to the dish. And Rhiannon likes them. Right, we're going to put that on a very low light and let it cook for about an hour and a half. Right then, I've just cooked that on a low light for about 90 minutes and it's reduced lovely that, nice and thick, beautiful curry this. And here we have it served, that's mine, and that's hers. Go on then, have a taste while you're on camera. Go on girl, stick it in. So, are you going to share this when you take some home for your hospital? Are you going to share it with Rhiannon? There you go. And food of the gods, is it? Food of the gods.